Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Thirani and I don't know, I think I might start vlogging. So this is my first attempt to vlog. So අද අපි යනවා day outing එකක්. ඉතින් මම මේ කලබලේ ලෑස්ති වෙනවා. As usual, I'm late to get ready, so this is how it goes every day. අපි ලෑස්ති වෙලා ඉවර වෙලා හම්බෙමු. This is me showing off my look. Just typical girl stuff. Oh, I forgot the lipstick, I guess. Yeah. It's lipstick or lip balm is a must. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm packed and let's go. මුලින්ම ටොක් එකේ ගිහිල්ලා මට ටිකකින් හම්බ වෙනවා මෙන්න මෙයාලව. මේ ඉන්නේ මගේ constant friend group එක. I mean, we are missing one girl. She couldn't make it to the trip. But we have others, including the +1. You know who it is, okay? Typically us choosing things at a food city. I love being annoying to my friends, okay? We are trying to get a nice high video and yeah, I think we did. We are finally here at our stay for the day, Tapas Village. ඊට පස්සේ ඉතින් අපේ කෝලම් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. මේ ඉන්නේ මගේ කෝලම් කරන යාළුවෝ ටිකගේ I mean one of many කෝලම් things that we do. Can you all say that we are 23-year-old women? No, right? Yeah. Even we are questioning that. So this is the room or the villa. This place is really nice. You guys should also visit. And yeah, this is the bathroom. It's really natural and pretty. Okay, this is me doing a transition. You know. Oh, say hi to my pretty friend. Now the best part. We are going to the natural pool. Okay. This place is so nice. We've been here about 3 times before, but still it's one of my favorite places. It's very chill, so you can see these two are trying to get into the water because it's too cold. But when you get in, it becomes normal and it's so calming. Okay, and we played Marco Polo. As usual, api one and only boy. But තියාගෙන ඇත්තටම අපි game එකේ cheat කළා. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's how we do things for fun. See? That's fun actually. Oh, ඊළඟට අපි යනවා අනිත් pool එකට. එතන හරිම ලස්සනයි. එකට යන්න තියෙන්නේ ගල් උඩින් පාඩි පෙල් නැගලා බැහැලා පේනවනේ. හැබැයි it's worth going. The place is really beautiful and it's fun unless you are drunk. Now to the best part of any trip or whatever. It's food. and wait again. Oh, this is my very dramatic friends. You see how matured we are, right? Oh man, I was trying to get the aim right. I know I was not good at it, but anyways I did that, and that was the whole point. So yeah, I'm trying my best, and that's kind of cool. Okay, so here comes the best part. අපි hair flips slow motion videos gonna try kala, and you see how it turned out. Okay, and the second attempt, still we messed up, but looking at each one of them every time makes me laugh. This is fun. Okay, this is the unseen side of my friends and me. Okay. Oh, now they are into the game. I didn't know that. I was sleeping. So me. At least අපි කැරම් ගහන්න try කළා. පේනවනේ අපි කිසිම දෙයක් කරන්නේ නැහැ. argue කරන්න නැතුව. We do it in our own way. We do not know what the rules are. So yeah. And that was pretty much it for the vlog. This is a very short vlog because it's my first time. I'll do better ones later. Until then, bye bye. Okay, this is us going home, by the way. See you guys. Bye bye.